curious, why does God use rules and structure to help people?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story of First Kings gets interesting, because we see wisdom, leadership, worship, and then slow collapse when boundaries are ignored. Let's slow down and look carefully. Solomon begins with humility and asks God for wisdom, which is a beautiful start. This might surprise you. The same book that shows a temple being built also shows hearts drifting away. Most people miss this part. Structure was never meant to control people harshly, it was meant to protect their minds and lives. Here is the deeper layer. When people ignore God's boundaries, confusion grows slowly until it becomes hard to stop.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. First Kings shows that wisdom is not just knowing facts, it is living in alignment with God. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Solomon had knowledge and success, but later let competing influences shape his heart. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. The kingdom did not divide in one sudden second, it weakened through repeated choices. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Healthy order helps people stay focused on what matters most. 5. This connects directly to real life. Boundaries protect our attention, our habits, and our direction. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. People become stronger when wisdom is practiced inside clear structure.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions inside stable routines. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic, because the brain saves energy by turning repeated patterns into default behavior. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them, whether that is peace, distraction, gratitude, or craving. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently, which means repeated boundaries can make wise choices easier over time. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing, just like repeated compromises slowly reshape the kingdom in First Kings. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow, because the brain is always being trained by what we practice.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. Structure helps people finish what matters instead of getting pulled in every direction. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic, especially when distractions feel more exciting than discipline. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. People often drop good boundaries first and regret it later. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns, and those patterns can either strengthen focus or weaken it. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible, because constant noise and endless choices can train the brain to scatter.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Second, repetition is what gives them strength, like stones placed one by one to build a strong wall. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum, and wise boundaries start feeling more natural over time. Then, what once felt difficult becomes normal, because the mind grows stronger through repeated order. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you when your attention starts drifting. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel the pull of distraction without pretending it is not there. Step 3. Choose one small boundary today, like protecting one quiet time, one task, or one honest decision. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself, and ask what helped your mind stay steady. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow, because growth loves consistency.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to. 3. Observe your reactions carefully. 4. Adjust without quitting. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again. Remember, God's structure is not there to shrink your life, it is there to strengthen it. Wise boundaries protect the heart, steady the mind, and help faith grow over time. Stay close to God in small daily choices, because that is where strong lives are built. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.